Yes, this is NEET stage 1. So here already we did the recap of Faraday's laws in the PU part, and we are going to solve a lot of numericals in Faraday's law. So now I am going to give you quite a good amount of examples of equivalent masses which you have learnt in the first PU, because for stage 1 or PU part or stage 2 any concept you have to remember this equivalent mass. So let us go one by one, which will be useful for you because you have learned it in stoichiometry in the previous year. Some children would have forgotten the concepts. I am doing a recap now. So first is this is calculation of equivalent mass. The first and foremost important compound in board and the competitive is KMnO4. In this, first, as an oxidizing agent in acid medium, you should be able to write the redox reaction. So permanganate as an oxidizing agent undergoes reduction to form Mn2 plus. So here our aim in each and every calculation is you have to calculate n factor here. So for which you have to find change in the oxidation state. So oxidation state of manganese is +7 in permanganate ion, and here it is +2. Therefore change in the oxidation state will be is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So for this n factor is 5. Therefore you will be adding 5 electrons here. Now equivalent mass of KMnO4 is equal to molar mass by n factor. I hope all of you know to calculate the molar mass of potassium permanganate. So 39 for potassium, 55 for manganese, and for oxygen is 16 into 4 divided by 5, which is equal to 158 divided by 5, which is equal to 31.6 grams. Therefore equivalent mass of permanganate in acid medium is 31.6 grams. Second option, in basic medium, what will happen to KMnO4? We need to know the redox reaction. At least reduction half equation you should know. Even if you don't know reduction half equation, so you should know very clearly that permanganate ion will get reduced to manganate ion, MnO4 2 minus. So this is permanganate. This is manganate. So here all of you know that in the previous calculation we did this is +8, oxidation state of manganese is +8. Here you will get I'm sorry, one second, you will get +7 here. I'm sorry, kindly excuse me. So here if you calculate the oxidation state, you will get +6. So change in the oxidation state will be 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Therefore n factor is 1. Therefore equivalent mass of permanganate in a strongly basic medium is equal to molar mass, same formula, divided by 1, that is equal to 158 grams. Next, so the option B is a strongly basic medium. Next one, this is so weakly basic or neutral medium. in weakly basic or neutral medium, what will happen to permanganate means, permanganate ion as an oxidizing agent, it is going to get reduced to manganese dioxide. So as usual, this is plus 7 oxidation state. Here if you calculate x minus 4 is equal to 0, x equal to plus 4. Therefore, change in the oxidation state will be 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Therefore, n factor is 3. So 3 electrons will come here. So as usual, if you do the calculation, equivalent mass of permanganate ion, potassium permanganate in neutral or basic medium is equal to 158 divided by 3, which is equal to 52.66 grams. So like this, I am going to provide some other molecules with a lot of calculations in the equivalent masses. Please be with me. Thank you.